Good Monday afternoon, everyone. Here's a quick video update for you on what's turned out to be a rather gloomy Monday. Feels like a Monday. A lot of us are still kind of struggling after staying up late watching the Super Bowl last night, and boy, the weather fits that mood today, that is for sure. First of all, a reminder that you can check out the rain, the snow, and everything else in between on our Storm Tracker 21 app, now available for Android and iOS users. So if you have an iPad, an iPhone, or an Android device, be sure and download this. Interactive radar, 7-day forecast, hourly forecasts, link to my blog, school closings. It is just chock full of good stuff, so be sure and check that out in your favorite app store. Available now for your devices. All right, so our Window World weather camera in Niles looks pretty damp this afternoon. We've had some rain. We've had some wet snowflakes mixing in on a few occasions as well. Kind of a similar scene down here in Columbiana. If you look carefully, you can see a few snowflakes mixed with the rain. Boy, what you see is what you get out there this afternoon. Kind of a mixed bag of rain, wet snow. The snow is not going to stick. But, as we head towards sunset this evening, some places might get a little accumulation on non-paved surfaces, but, this is not a travel issue, not a high-impact kind of a thing for us. As we zoom out and take a look at the rest of the region, snow's doing a little bit better in the western suburbs of Cleveland this afternoon, where it's colder and there's no rain mixing in. Can be some accumulations out there. But, east of I-77, this is going to have a hard time doing it, much in the way of sticking. Temperatures across the board still above freezing. 36 Sharon, 42 in Mercer, 44 Newcastle. It's cooling off closer to freezing over towards Kent, Canton, and into Alliance as well. We've got a ton to talk about on weather for Weather Geeks this evening because winter is far from over. In fact, the worst weather of the entire winter is still yet to come as we get through the next week. We're talking about more snow showers midweek, but I think the higher impact deal is going to be the cold that's coming for the weekend, for Valentine's Day weekend. We could have a high temperature, perhaps no better than 10 on Saturday. Overnight lows could be below 0 Saturday night. And wind chills, no fun either. So we're going to really do a deep dive into the upcoming harsh winter weather this evening on Weather Geeks, and we'll talk about the longer range. We'll talk about how long that cold will stick around. Be sure and check that out on my weather blog and on wfmj.com/weather. Be sure you're following me on all the social media accounts. I update this stuff around the clock. Have a great rest of this Monday. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11.